Good afternoon, everyone. Let everyone come and then we'll start with our class today. Am I audible to everyone? Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Completely audible or my voice is blur? Anu, will you please tell me if my voice is clear or is it blur?
Ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, all right, all right. So in the last class, we discussed about filters and some sort of sorting. Only one topic was left, that was grouping technique in Excel. I hope you all are carrying the data set which we discussed in the last class. Please raise your hands who all are having that data with you. Okay, Disha Sharma, will you please share the link at the chat box wherein the data is there so that all those students who have not got the data will be having the access to data. Disha, please forward the same link at the chat box. Okay. Let me present my screen and then we will start. How long do you take to come to the class? It's 3 and students have not come so far. Shall I wait for another 2 minutes or shall I start? Any doubt in the last class? किसी को कोई doubt है? Whatever we discussed in the last class, I hope you all have been able to perform the assignment. How many of you have done the assignment of filtering and sorting? Okay, Akshat Gupta has done, I believe. Disha, very nice. What about the rest? You won't be getting certificate if you will not come to the class or if you will not submit your assignment on time. Let me tell you very clearly. Day by day, your strength is decreasing. And one more thing, coming for 5 minutes doesn't mean that your attendance will be counted. It will be counted only when you will be attending full session. All right, so I'm going to start. So here is the database which was there in the, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am, I had one doubt
Yeah.
relating to the sort and filter assignment.
Okay. Let me know. What is the doubt, Dishika?
It was question number 6. How can we remove filter from one particular column?
Okay, it's very easy. There is an option of clear filter in that particular column where the arrow is there. Let me show you. Let's say if I am applying filters over here, so I will be going to home and sort and filter. Okay, so now if I want to clear filter from here, there is an option. Let me apply one filter here. Okay, let's say it is greater than 20. Okay, 200. Okay, so I have applied a filter here, and after that, if I want to clear this filter, I will go to clear filter from total. So now you can see it has been cleared from only one column. If I have to clear all, then I will have to select this clear option from here. Clear, Dishika?
Then the question is remove filter from instructor.
हाँ, तो instructor पे you must have given some filter in the previous question, right?
Yes.
And now you have to remove the filter so that I can get my previous table.
Okay.
So you will just have to give the screenshot of this thing. Click here and this, right? And you have to highlight that how will you clear filter from one column only.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt so far? So I'm assuming that it is clear to everyone, filtering and sorting, so that I can start with grouping in Excel, group, ungroup, and subtotal. Let's start with my basic database. Disha, have you given the link? No, Disha, you haven't given the link so far, bache. Disha, you haven't given. Let me see. Dishika, you are having a link of the database?
Then what database?
Which we discussed in the previous class. Let me share it with everyone now. Internet is very slow. So I have shared the link. You all have to open this Google link so that we can get access to this database. A very small data set rather. So now this is the database which I have. Let's see, I have this database with me. All right. So now, why do we use grouping or why do we use subtotal? Take an example here. I have this data set with me, and now based on this data set, let me share like this so that you all can see that. Okay, so we have home room, first name, last name, t-shirt size and payment date. As you can see in home room, there are various cells which are actually redundant. 220B is coming various times in this particular column. And similarly, if I speak about this t-shirt size, even t-shirt size is coming at various levels. Now, I want to group my table in such a way that home room should be grouped together. All the 220B should be grouped at one group, 105 to be grouped at another group, and so on. In that case, if I want to find out, let's see the total of all. In that case, please make sure that you enter here in any of the cell which you want to sort. Whenever we perform subtotal, we have to make sure that the list has to be sorted in some or the other way. So I will select here, and after that I will go to data, and let's say I'm going to sort it. So now you can see this data is sorted based on 105, 110, 135, 220A and 220B, and so on, right? Now, if I want to group this in such a way that home room number 105, I want to count how many t-shirts are there within home room number 105. Similarly, I want to count how many t-shirts are there in 110. Or take an example, here is the data and I have given some total. For this home room number, we have t-shirt size small and the total is 114. I have just extended my data. Let me do it like this. Let me clear the filter first. Okay, so now this data has been sorted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my full data, go to data, and in the outline section, we have three options with us: group, ungroup, and subtotal. In subtotal, I will select, now it is asking at each change in. If I am changing this number 105, 110, 220A and 220B, which function do I have to use? Take an example, I'm going to use some function here. And add subtotal to, you have to select, like I just want to know what is the total amount for home room 105. So I have just selected total and click OK. Now you can see that 105 total is 1439, 110 total is 877, and so on, right? In addition to this subtotal, we have this feature of hiding and showing our details. Let's take an example. I don't want to show what are those cells which are containing 105 in it. So what I'll do is I'll just select. I will just click on this minus box, and you can see only the total is visible to me. I can do this with all the numbers. See, I'm doing it at the second box, this one, right? So I'm getting only these totals. However, in the next step, if I want to see only the grand total, in this case, I will click on this minus, because various sections have been made. First section is grouping of home room and total, and now this is one section, all the totals and the grand total. Now, if I have to hide all the totals, I will get only grand total here. This is one way of showing. It depends upon you what kind of scenario you want to show to your customers, your team. The moment I will click plus, everything will be visible to me. It is up to me whether which group I want to show or which group I want to hide. Is it clear to everyone, or some kind of doubt is there? Please let me know if I'm going too fast. Aditi Goyal.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So moving forward, another thing, if I just have to undo this everything, I will go to subtotal. Just a second. And after that, if I just want to remove everything, whatever I have done so far, remove, and I will get my old database as it is. This is the concept of subtotal. Now, if based on grouping, if I want to make, for grouping, I have to make sure again that my table has to be in sorted order only. Sorted order in the sense all the 105 should be in the same manner. After that 110, they should be adjacent to each other. Then only I will be able to perform grouping in Excel. So now, if I want to group these items into one group, in that case, I will just select, I am grouping these rows. If you are grouping columns, you have to act like this. If you are grouping rows, in that case, you will be moving row-wise, right? After that, you will be going group, you will be selecting group, and let's say group. So now you can see that this minus is appearing here. That means it has made a group. if I want to hide this group 105 wala group, if I want to hide, I will just click here and you can see 105 is not visible to me. You can do the same thing from here as well. This is for showing and this is for hiding the details. The shortcut is here. If you want to access it from here, you can access it from here also. The moment I will, it is one of the same thing. Just select it and you can, let me show you like this also. If I have, just a minute. If I have to do like this and I'm going to minimize it, in the same manner, I can do it from my tab, outline tab, show and this. Now, if I want to remove this group, I will again select it. And there is an option of ungroup and OK. या फिर आप क्लियर आउटलाइन का ऑप्शन भी रख सकते हैं दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन एनी डाउट Dashmesh and Rizul, are you there in the class? I will not give attendance today. Whosoever is not replying. Okay, all right. Good.
Present.
I have not taken attendance so far. I will be taking it after some time. All right. Okay. Coming to the next concept, please let me know if you have any doubt. Please raise your hands in grouping or subtotal. Otherwise, I will move forward.
Okay.
Okay. Coming to the next concept, and it is really very important because after doing BBA, you all will be managers and you may show a pictorial representation of your data. Do you really think that the raw data will be easier to access or a pictorial representation would be a better thing to show up your customers? What do you think? Anyone who can answer? Mayank Mehta?
I'm pictorial.
Exactly, pictorial representation. Okay, so we have various charts in Excel. You can access all the charts by clicking on the insert tab, and after that, here is the chart area, right? Recommended charts, or you can just click here. If you want a particular chart for your data, in that case, we have a concept of pie chart. This is scatter chart. We have bar chart or column chart. We have a line chart, column chart, bar chart, and so on. A combo chart as well. So based on your utility, you will be selecting your chart. Okay, my next common sense question is, what do you think? When will do you really know that when are we supposed to use bar chart or column chart or pie chart? In which scenario will I use scatter chart? Can anyone tell me? No. Okay, let me start with a very simple question. Here is a very small table wherein I'm given quarter for year. Maybe let's say I'm just merging these cells. And these are my sales 2020, let's say. Okay, for each quarter I'm given sales. Now I want to build up a pie chart. What is the scenario when we build a pie chart? We build a pie chart when we have only two columns with us. First column, second column, and the values in these columns are not much. Let's say I have only 4 quarters. However, if the values are maybe more than 10, do you really think pie chart would be accessible? Obviously no, because pie chart gives you the area of the circle, right? If you have so many values, obviously it will be very difficult for you to locate the same in the pie chart. So always go with pie chart when you have smaller data set with you. It will do wonders with your data. So what am I supposed to do here is, I will select my full data including headings, right? After that, I will go to insert, and this is my pie chart. After clicking on this arrow, you can click any pie chart of your choice. It could be 2D, it could be 3D, or it could be donut. So as of now, I am using 3D pie chart. And let's see, this is my pie chart, which is visible to me. As of now, I'm not able to find out that what is this orange, this yellow, this purple, or this blue. Hey, through these legends, we can find out. Let me show you what is the purpose of everything in this chart. This is my chart area, this one. This full square is the chart area. This is my plot area, this one, where this pie area is there. This is my chart title, right? These are the legends, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. All these colorful things are my legends. This is pie chart, and we are not having any x-axis or y-axis here. If I want, I can do the same. From this layout, I can check which will do better for my presentation. So as of now, if I click here, do you really think this is a better option? Because now I am able to see that it occupies 36% of the pie chart, 34%. So now I got to know that quarter 2 is having maximum sales. After that, we have quarter 4 as minimum, less than maybe quarter 2, and so on. Next thing is, if I want, this is, what is this? This is the plot area and this is the chart area. The bigger rectangle is chart area and the smaller rectangle is my plot area. Again, chart title, these are the legends. If I want to add more things, I can go to this plus and see chart title selected, data label selected, and legends are selected, right? And data labels are also selected. If I want that my legend should appear in the right, by default it is in the right. If I want that it should be at the bottom, in that case I can do one thing. I will just click here and see. If I am moving it at bottom, let's see this. You can see the moment I am changing, it is showing me what kind of, how will my chart will appear here. Similar is the case with data labels, see, and so on. Okay, as of now, I'm using this only. You can change the size of your chart depending upon your pictorial representation. Second thing is, if you want to delete this chart, you don't have to do anything. Just click here and press delete. That's it. And your chart will be deleted. I'm doing Control Z. That means I'm undoing the same thing. All right. Now, one more thing. If you want to change the appearance of your chart, in that case, let's see. What I'm going to do here is, first thing is, if I want to change the design, here are some designs. Change colors, I can change the color. Depending upon my representation, I can change the colors. So as of now, let's see, I'm making it like this. I can change the appearance like this, and so on. Coming to this chart title, I have an option. I don't have to like click here and do, like if I have to type it again, please don't do this. ये हम सब लोगों की एक misconception है कि we have to type it here only. Just click this area and whatever you are writing, let's say if I'm writing sales for year 2020. After writing, just press enter and you can see the difference here. You don't have to select this area for writing anything. Just click here and write anything on the formula bar, press enter, and you can see the changes here. I hope it's clear to everyone so far. Please let me know. No one is sleeping?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So moving next, there is one more option here. If I want to change the chart title, what I'm going to do here is just type equal to, and since I have written the description of the table here, so I'm just selecting this cell and press. Why this pie is there? Because I have named the sheet as pie. After that exclamation mark, and the reference of the cell is given here. right? Press enter and you can see the difference. Whatever was written here, sales 2020 is written here. So there are three ways. One way is you can just type here, you can type in the formula bar, or you can give the title from the cell in the Excel. Three ways of defining your chart area. Clear? Similarly, just click here and we have an option of filtering my data. If I don't want to show quarter one, in that case, you can deselect it and apply. So now you can see only 3 quarters are visible to you. I'm not doing this. So I'm just applying it again. One more thing is, okay, now I want key, because this 36% is in front of me, I want to move my pie chart. I want it to move. In that case, I will be double clicking it. I will show you the difference. If I'm double clicking on the chart area, see the difference. Format chart area, and you can change the appearance from here. I can change the color. See, no fill, solid fill, gradient fill picture, or any color you want. See, if I am using, let's say, green color, so you can see the chart area is green in color now. Clear? After that, if I am clicking on this legends, if I want the appearance, if I want to change the appearance of the legends, I can do like that. Format legend. You can again do that. See this. If I'm clicking here, you can change the position. You can change the position from here as well. Now, if I want to change the rotation of this pie chart, I have clicked on the pie chart. Just click on any area of your pie chart, but please make sure that you are clicking in this circle only. And you can see format data point. Now, let's see. If I am changing the axis, you can see that pie chart is moving. So 36% is clearly visible to me that this is the biggest area of pie chart. Similarly, point explosion, you can see this, right? See, now again, I can remove it. For every pie, I can give a different view. I'm breaking every pie. See here, right? Have you all performed the same? I hope you all are trying with me. किसी ने try किया? I will. What I am going to do today is you will be sharing your screen today, so that I can see that you are performing in the same manner in which I am doing the same my task. So be prepared today. All right. Next thing is, suppose I don't want this particular pie to be there in the pie chart. The first option was that I can use filters, or I will just click here. Just a minute. You can again do like this. It won't create any problem. Okay, so now I don't want this pie to be there in my pie chart. I will just right click, and now you can see that these 3 dots are there in this pie. Right click and there is an option of fill. So I am going to no fill, and now you can see that this pie has been removed from the full pie chart, and now I just want to remove this. How will you remove this? Just try it out on your own and let me know if you are able to do it. करके दिखाइए मुझे सबके साथ. जिसका हो जाए मुझे बता देना. बताइए कैसे होगा. हुआ किसी का? Has anyone tried? This is not appearing actually. It is not being removed. Let me check it again. Anyways, I hope pie chart is clear to everyone. Have you all made this pie chart? सबने बनाया pie chart? मोहक मित्तल आपने बना
Yes,
लिया pie
ma'am.
chart? मानसी सिंघल, okay. मोहक मित्तल,
मैम ने ये डेटा नहीं शेयर कर रखा है.
Dishika, this data is very small. See, only two columns are there, बच्चे.
मैम
That's why
पूरी
then.
नीचे कॉलम चार्ट बार चार्ट भी तो है.
Oh my God, you people are too slow, है ना?
No, ma'am, I used another database for this, but
Okay, I am sharing the same with you. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. I'll have to close my data then. Just a minute, someone has entered, I think. Okay. Is not able to find the data. Let me check if I have already uploaded the data here. No, it is not there. It is not letting me take the data. Okay, let me do one thing. I will be pasting the data. I'm pasting the link at your chat box. Okay, I'm just pasting my data now. You can check it from here. Shall I upload the data for pie chart as well? Tell me. Okay, I have pasted the data. You can check it. In the meanwhile, I'm taking your attendance so that you can copy and paste the data in your Excel files.
Ma'am, where is the link in the chat box?
Yes, it is there in the chat box. I have just pasted it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Enter your roll calls now. Abir, Abhishek, Aditi, Aditi Goyal. Okay. Aditya Bansal, Akshat,
Present, ma'am.
Akshat Semwal, Akshita, Aman Gupta, Amardeep,
I'm Amardeep.
okay. Anchit, Aniket Gulati, Aniket, Anjali, Anshika, Anu, Apu.
Present, ma'am.
Anu is present. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Apoorv, Ariman, Ashish, Ayush, Bhavesh, Chirag, Dashmesh, Devansh.
Ma'am, Dashmesh present.
Dashmesh, जब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही थी तो you were not answering, right? Devanshu, Dhanishtha, Disha, Dishika.
Ma'am, Disha.
Disha is also present. Divakar, Divyam, Isha,
Ma'am,
Ishita,
Isha Gulati.
Isha Gulati.
Dishika.
Dishika I have marked you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ishita, Garv, Garvit, Hardik,
I'm Hardik.
Harsh,
Ma'am,
Harsh.
Harsh Verma.
Okay, Harshit,
I'm Harshit.
Himanshu.
I'm Harshit. Harshit.
Okay, Himanshu, Isha, Ishan Bhardwaj, Ishan Jain, Jay.
ईशान जैन.
Okay, Jay Malhotra,
मैम
Jas,
आपने मेरी मार्क नहीं की है इधर.
Dishika,
मैम ईशा गुलाटी.
Isha Gulati, I have marked. Okay, wait. Divyam is absent. Okay. Ishan, Jay, Jas Gupta, Jaspreet, Jayesh, Kanishka.
Kanishka present, ma'am.
Okay. Kartik, Kashish, Kaushal, Keshav, Khushi, Preeti, Kshitij, Lakshay Talreja, Lavanya, Mehekar.
Ma'am, Lavanya present.
Ma'am, Ishita is in the meeting. My mic wasn't working.
Ishita,
Yeah, ma'am. Ishita Arora. 31.
Roll number 31. Okay, all right.
Yes, ma'am.
Mehek Garg, Manisha, Mansi Singhal,
Present, ma'am.
Manya Arora, Mayank Garg, Mayank Mehta, Mitali.
Mayank.
Mayank Mehta, okay. Mitali, Mohak Mittal,
Present.
Mukul Nagpal, Mukul Agarwal, Muskan Khemka. Who is present?
Mohak.
Mohak, I have marked you, bache.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mohit, Mukul, Muskan, Navneet, Nishant, Parth, Palak, Parth Bansal, Prakriti, Pranjal, Prashita, Prasuk, Prateek, Pulkit, Rahul, Ridhima, Rishita, Riya, Rizul Tiwari.
Ma'am, Rahul Raj present.
मैम रुजुल तिवारी.
राहुल राज आपने अभी ज्वाइन किया है ना बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, लाइट नहीं थी इसलिए थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन.
रोहन मल्होत्रा, रोमा मदान,
मैम
रूपाली.
रिजुल तिवारी के लगा दी.
हाँ जी बच्चे लगा दिया. ओके. समर, सान्या, सारांश, सार्थक,
Ma'am, Sanya.
सान्याधर. ओके. तेजल, शाश्वत, Shaurya, Shivam, Shiven, Shobhit, Shruti.
Shobit present.
Shobhit present, okay. Shruti, Siddhant, Siddhant Shankar, Soumya Jain, Sparsh Gupta, Srishti, Swati, Swati Jain, Tanishk, Tanu Rani, Taran Gupta, Tushar, Ujjwal, Utkarsh Gupta, Vishali, Vishali Mittal, Varchas, Vats, Vishal, Yagyansh, Yash, Yash Bisht, Yash Jain, Yash Khurana, Yash Mittal, Yatin Grover.
Yatin Grover.
That's it.
Ma'am, Yatin Grover.
Yatin, I have marked your attendance, Bachit. See, I'm able to present my screen. See, and look at your attendance: 37, 49, 40, and with every class it is being decreased. Very nice. We are here with you, right? है ना? Free में बैठे हम लोग आप लोगों के लिए पढ़ाने के लिए. Anyhow. चलिए, आई होप आप लोगों को पाई चार्ट क्लियर है. किसी को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो.
Ma'am, can you take the attendance sheet once again?
Sure.
मैम रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड कर देना.
क्यों भाई, रिकॉर्डिंग आप क्लास में नहीं बैठे?
थोड़ा सा लेट ज्वाइन.
मैम एक्चुअली मैंने सारी क्लासेस अटेंड करी हैं अभी तक. मेरी
Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Yatin.
Yatin Grover. Okay, let me see. Yatin, you were not there in my last class.
Ma'am, I was there.
I didn't have it with me. Anyhow, chalo, I will see to it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Question mark.
रिकॉर्डिंग मैम, रिकॉर्डिंग के बाद.
No recording, not at all.
मैम थोड़ी सी लेट ज्वाइन हुआ था मैम, क्योंकि वो आईएफएम की क्लास चल रही थी.
तो किसकी गलती है ये?
मैम कॉलेज वालों की, सर की गलती है ना, उन्होंने क्लास रखी 2:30 बजे.
अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक है. Chalo. Okay, moving forward. Now, I told you that we use pie chart when we have very small data set. Only 4 or 5 rows are there with me, and it will be very easy for me to analyze my data based on the picture I'm watching at that moment. Now, let's take one more example here. There are again 2 columns, month, and this is internet users. In this kind of scenario, if I will make a pie chart, let's do one thing. Let me show you a pie chart. I'm again selecting this and I will go to insert, and we have an option of pie chart and 2D pie chart or 3D pie chart. So now you can see it is very cumbersome kind of pie chart and I'm not able to find out the exact result. I got to know that maybe this blue color is there, which is having the highest number of internet users. It is maybe November, but still it is not very clear. These very small portions are not very clear. So in this kind of scenario, when the number of rows are very large, in that case, we will not be using pie chart. Rather, we will be using column chart. And it is by default that we have this chart in Excel. So now again, I have selected this data and I can select it from here, column chart, right? And the shortcut for the same is just select the data and press Alt F1 and see. I'm just undoing it. मैं एक बार इसको पूरा Control Z कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? First option is, if I go with the long cut method, I will select this data fully. I will go to charts, and in this, I will be selecting this, and 2D, 3D, whatever I want, I can select it from here. Right? And the shortcut for the same is I'm deleting this. Just select this and press delete. And again, I'm selecting the data and Alt F1 is the key. Just by pressing Alt F1, you will be getting the column chart. Have you all tried the same? Sabne try kiya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I will be moving forward now. See, in this chart, we can see that we have chart area. This is known as chart area, full. This is known as my plot area where this chart is there. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा, I'm just dragging it so that it will be clearly seen to all of you. This full is your chart area and this is the portion of your chart area. See, a very small box in front of a bigger rectangle. So in this case, this is the plot area. This is axis label, x-axis and vertical axis. These are the bars. These are the grid lines. ये जो आपकी horizontal lines है, these are your grid lines. Chart area, plot area and lines. If I want to change the appearance of any of them, I just have to select this and press F11. Okay, I'm so sorry. Let me do it again. अभी F11 वाला concept मैं आपको अभी नहीं समझा रही, इसके बाद समझाऊंगी. Just double click from here. That is my chart area. Or after that, if I'm double clicking here, see, this is plot area. See the difference. Wherever I am double clicking, it will show me the area which has to be changed. If I'm clicking here, it is showing me, just a minute. See, format axis. This is my Y axis. Everything is selected here. Next is, if I'm selecting here, this is my X axis. If I have to change this, the appearance of these, if I want to change the color, if I want to change the border, in that case, I have just clicked it and you can see the dots and I can change these data series. If I want to change the grid lines, in that case, I will be clicking on this and you can see major grid lines have been. See, now I think you are very much clear that what is the appearance of my chart. My chart is made up of various things. First is my chart area. Within the chart area, we have plot area, x-axis, y-axis. My grid lines are there. After that, chart columns are there. जो हमारे column charts के options होते हैं, bars are there. And we have x-axis, y-axis. I have already told you. And these are major grid lines, right? Now, I am not very happy, let's say, with this. जो ये bars आ रहे हैं. So we have an option. What I'm going to do here is just select here, go to insert, and we have an option of shapes. So let me take this shape, and in this cell, I have made this cell. Right? I want these arrows to be there instead of these bars. So what I'm going to do is Control C. Simple. आपको इसको you just have to select this, Control C, select this, and Control V. Now you can see every bar has been changed to an arrow and it looks beautiful when you show this kind of picture to your subordinates, to the management. I'm not saying these arrows will look good, but yes, there are various options. Again, I'm not using this concept here. I can change further appearance like this, double clicking here and see. I can change the options from here. I can change the color, no solid line, yeah, fill. These are some options for you. If you want to fill it, you can change it. You can also have a picture or texture fill. So for picture, you just have to insert the picture and the picture will be inserted. As of now, since I don't have any picture, so यहाँ पे ये अपने आप दिखिए. Options are given to me. Clear? See, from file, online pictures, it is up to you if you want to change the picture here. I'm not using any picture.
मैम
हाँ जी बताइए.
मैम ये जो शेप होता है आपने बोला Ctrl+C करने के बाद फिर क्या करना है?
Control V. देखिए मैं let me show you again. What I have done is I have come out of this chart area and I have clicked here, right? After that, go to insert. We have taken any picture of your choice. Let's say.
मैम सिलेंडर लेके देखा था मैंने.
सिलेंडर लिया था. सिलेंडर कहाँ पर है?
मैम
कुछ भी ले ले.
Basic shape, second row, second last.
Okay, so I have taken this. ठीक है. अब इसको थोड़ा सा मैं ठीक कर लेती हूँ. ठीक है. Control C and just select here जहाँ पर आपको paste करना है and Control V. See, all the cylinders have been made here. राहुल हुआ?
Yes, मैम हो गया.
Done. Aditi, you have doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, any doubts so far? These are some, मतलब आपको charts you will be able to make it. हम बहुत simple charts बनाते हैं, but my motive is कि how to make them beautifully. You will not get it anywhere. ये आपको खुद से सीखना है कि आप उसको कैसे beautify कर सकते हैं, right? These are something which I tried on my own and I really liked it when I was trying. Anyhow, moving forward, now if I want to, let's say, I'm going to change some more things here. Let me show. Okay, so now coming to this y-axis, I'm giving you some more options. As you can see, it is starting from 0 and ending at 55 lakh maybe. And I want to change it should not start from 0. I'm assuming that the minimum number of internet users are 1000, right? So here what I'm going to do is I'm double clicking here, and after that we will be going to this. Just a minute. There is a problem here. Okay, yes. So the access options are visible to me. I hope ये सबका open हो गया. Access options, all these options are there in front of you. Please do it simultaneously as in when I'm doing. Everyone is able to get this option, format access and bounds, units and so on. Yes, no, कुछ तो बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Only
Yes,
Dishika is there. Rahul, Dishika. That's it. बाकी सब बच्चे सो रहे होते हैं. Okay, so the minimum value, if I want to change, it should not be 0. Let's say 1000. And the maximum value, if I'm saying is, let's say, the maximum value is 49. Okay. Unit is from 1000 now. Okay, let me show you. So now you can see it is changed. The minimum value has become 1000 and the maximum value will be, let's say, मैं इसको 6 ले रही हूँ. Units are from this to this. What is the difference between this? So 1000, 51,000. So 50,000 का difference है. I don't want the difference to be there. I want maybe 1 lakh का distance. मुझे difference चाहिए. And minor is within these how many grid points, how many minor points do I need? Whenever you make a let's say जब आप graph paper होता था आपके पास, तो एक वो green line के बीच में कितनी सारी lines होती थी? Have you ever seen that? सिंपल जो ग्रीन लाइंस होती थी, या फिर लेट्स से इफ आई हैव दिस पेज विद मी, तो ग्रीन लाइन में आपके पास क्या होता था, इन 2 लाइंस के बीच में बहुत सारी हम लाइंस करते हैं. लाइक टेक एन एग्जांपल, वी हैव अ स्केल एंड स्केल में वी हैव दिस ऑप्शन ऑफ सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं, और सेंटीमीटर के बीच में हमारे बीच में बहुत सारी लाइंस होती हैं. देयर आर स्केल्स वेयर इट इज इधर 1 2 3 4 एंड कहीं पर होता है कि हमारे उसके बीच में भी देयर आर सो मेनी लाइंस. तो इट डिपेंड्स कि मुझे यहाँ पर कितनी लाइंस लेनी है. इफ आई वांट दैट इट शुड बी ओनली 20,000 लाइंस, तो इट विल बी 20,000 लाइंस. दैट्स इट. ओके, सो नाउ यू कैन सी इट इज 1000 एंड द अपर लिमिट हैज बीन चेंज्ड नाउ. अगेन आई एम क्लिकिंग. One more thing I want to show you. If I want to change the let's say appearance of these numbers are the number of internet users. However, if it had been sales, so it would have been 4 lakh या 40,000 या कुछ. तो वहाँ पे go to numbers and we have an option of currency, right? And now it will ask you what kind of currency do you want. तो यहाँ पे rupee है, I can change the currency, I can change dollar, anything, and so on. So now you can change the appearance of your axis based on these things, based on these bounds, units, and this number. And ये जो tick marks है, you can see. अब मैंने वहाँ पर जो changes किए, I will show you that जो minor types हैं, ये देखिए, these are the lines for minor types. Outside, these lines are there. How many lines do I want? See, cross. Similarly, if you want to see this, you can do it like this. Clear to everyone? सबको clear है या any doubts so far?
क्लियर मैम।
ये तो बहुत इजी वाला पार्ट मैंने आपको समझाया, अभी ऐसा कुछ कराया नहीं है. Okay. Here are some shortcuts for the same. If I want access data labels, whatever you want, you can do like this, and it will change the appearance of the same. You can change. अच्छा, मुझे यहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड कलर लेकर आना है पूरे चार्ट पर, तो मैं कौन से फॉर्मेटिंग ऑप्शन पर जाऊंगी? Tell me, which formatting option will I choose? Will I choose plot area, chart area, axis area or time series area? This is my series area. कौन सा लेंगे? I have to give a background color.
Ma'am, chart area.
Chart area. Very good, Akshar. Yes. Double click here, and yes, we can give color here. Solid fill and see the color you want. आप कोई भी यहाँ से color choose कर सकते हैं. You can even change the picture. If there is a logo of your company and you want that logo to be at the background of this chart, you can use this as well. यहाँ से आपको insert option पर जाएंगे and you can insert a picture from your computer and it will be there at the background of this chart. Clear?
मैम ये सारे फीचर पुराने एक्सेल में नहीं है क्या?
ये 2013 के बाद से हैं. आई होप 2013 से पहले भी वर्जन है किसी के पास. 2007 वर्जन होगा शायद.
7 है मेरे पे.
हाँ, राहुल आपके उसमें नहीं होगा. जिसके पास 2007 वर्जन है उसमें ये फीचर्स ऐसे अवेलेबल नहीं है. यू विल हैव टू गो टू फॉर्मेट.
मैम एक फॉर्मेट ऑप्शन में भी बहुत लिमिटेड है, जैसे डिजाइन
बहुत
में भी बहुत
लिमिटेड
लिमिटेड
है.
है.
यस आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बट ठीक है, अपना वर्जन अपडेट करो फिर. एक्चुअली 2013 के बाद एक्सेल में बहुत चेंजेस आए हैं और ये आप जैसे बच्चों के लिए आए हैं जो ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना चाहते. चलिए, shall I move forward? ये बेसिक था हम किस तरीके से I can change the appearance. And one more thing, let me show you one more thing which is very good here. Okay, अब see, this is a very small number of words. जैसे यहाँ पे Jan है. If let's take an example when you have various a very long sentence. So in that case, obviously my chart will look really weird if all these sentences are there. So we have an option here. Where do you want to align your text? So let's say text direction. I'm changing my text direction. See, like this. And yes, you can change it like this, center, and so on. These are some features which you can use. Left. It is up to you. You can change the angle. अगर आपको जनवरी थोड़ा सा tilted चाहिए, you can change it like this and see. जितना I am increasing January, February, March, April and so on, tilt होता जा रहा है. ठीक है, 54, 60 and so on. Now you can see. So this is how you can change the appearance of chart. You can beautify it, make it as beautiful as you are, make it as smarter as you are. Clear to everyone? And इसी के points मिलते हैं actually when you present it really well. कि जो सामने देख रहा है, he should be very much clear कि what do you want to exactly show. Clear till this point? When we a column chart हम तब use करते हैं again when we have 2 columns and I want to show. अब looking at this pictorial representation, I got to know in May the sales are maximum. Next is in July and next is January. So yes, column chart is when we have again 2 columns. One is your this and one is this. Let me show you one more thing. Yes. When we have a data like this, when both are numbers and I'm going to present a column chart here. यहाँ पर क्या था when I was talking about here? It is text and this is number. So no problem, text is here, number is here. However, a problem arises when both are numbers and when I am presenting it. So I am pressing Alt F1 and see. This is perfectly fine. From 0 till 10,000, the sales are being shown to me. The problem occurs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It should have been 2001, 2 and 2010, 12, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click it, select data, and see. In legend entries, it is saying year and sales both. I don't want year to be here. Click here and remove and click OK, right? Again, select this chart, select data and go to this horizontal. Ye jo horizontal axis hai, I want to change this edit option, and axis label range should start from 2001 till 2012 and OK. Now you can see instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, years are being shown. Please try it out. It is very important concept when we become actually confused when both the columns are numbers rather than text and number. So you should know how to change these numbers to years. किस तरीके से आप data range select करके you can change it. Again, when we have a data like this, and when I want to compare that for this month, we have a variety of users wherein I am having internet users, mobile users and desktop users, right? Just allow me some time. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. Okay, so we have internet user, mobile users and desktop user, and I want to compare for January month which users are maximum. Is it internet user, mobile user or desktop user? When we are comparing something, in that case we use bar chart. Click, go to insert, and we have an option of bar chart here. Yeah, in column chart only we have an option of this thing. So now I can say that blue is for internet users. In every month, the number of internet users are maximum. However, if I talk about May, the number of internet users are maximum. After that, we have mobile users, and desktop users are very less as compared to internet users. So yes, now I know pie chart for small data set, column chart for 2 columns. To compare, we have bar chart, and the last thing is scatter chart. Okay, when we are talking about these charts, so I'm very much aware when I talk about sales. So there is a drastic difference between these two sales, 22,000. Just a minute. Sir. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so now you can see there is a drastic difference between these two numbers, 22,000, 92,000. Chart column maybe you can see. So obviously when there is a significant difference between various entities, various cells, in that case, obviously it is easy to find out which is the maximum. However, if I'm saying that, let's say I'm talking about the temperature of May, do I really say that temperature variation in May is in various, it changes drastically? Like if the temperature in May at today is 42 degrees, so tomorrow it will be maybe 18 degrees. Will it be possible in any country of this earth? Obviously no. Temperature increases by points. So here when we are talking about a data of something like this, when we have variation like on January 1, the temperature was 25, next is 27. When the variation is very, very small, in that case, obviously column chart is not preferable. Let me show you. I have selected the data, go to insert, let me delete it first, and Alt F1, and let's see. Do you really think this is a better version? कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे कि किस दिन ज्यादा टेम्परेचर था, किस दिन, what is the mean? I am not able to find anything. So I'm just deleting it. Click here and delete. Select it and go to insert, and we have an option of scatter plot. You can go like this, or we have an option of line plot, right? It is up to you. So now here I'm using scatter plot to find out whether there is any kind of change in the temperature. तो यहाँ पर only I can get to know that temperature variation is from 25 till 30. Maximum was 30, minimum was maybe 23. When we want to find the pattern, जैसे हम स्टॉक एक्सचेंज की बात करते हैं, तो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में क्या होता है कि जो आपका वेरिएशन होता है, इट इज नॉट लाइक ड्रास्टिक चेंज आता है, इट इज ऑलवेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पैटर्न्स, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रेंड लाइंस. जब भी हम कोई रिसर्च करते हैं, हमारे पैटर्न्स होते हैं इसी टाइप के होते हैं. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर व्हेन यू हैव डेटा व्हिच इज changing in a very fast manner in the fraction of points, in that case we will be using scatter plot or line plot. Clear to everyone? Okay, last one thing is there, or one more thing. See, whenever I am making this chart, it is visible in the same screen. If I want that the chart should be visible in the another worksheet, in that case just click it. या फिर I'm coming to column chart, select this and press F11 and see the chart is in another sheet. It is not in the same sheet where the data was there, and from here you can make changes. F11 to display your chart in another sheet, Alt F1 to provide column chart, it is by default, and so on. I hope it is clear to everyone. किसी को कोई doubt है तो please do let me know. सब all clear या all clear हो गया है आज? बताइए. राहुल राज clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Mayank Mehta, are you there in the class? बताइए. मयंक मेहता, मुझे पता था काफियों का ना इस बार वो नहीं चलेगा, इंटरनेट आपका स्पीकर नहीं चलेंगे.
मैम बैकग्राउंड में नॉइस है.
बैकग्राउंड में नॉइस है?
हाँ, इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा.
अच्छा, ओके. Last one question. Whosoever will answer, I will be giving full marks, irrespective of whether you have assignments में क्या किया. चलिए. In chart, what are the various areas in a chart? Tell me. Chart में कौन-कौन से areas होते हैं?
Axis.
Axis, very good.
Chart area, plot
Very
area,
nice. Chart area.
बार
axis.
Very good, very good. Chalo, good. So we have grid lines, chart area, plot area, axis.
Bar.
What? हाँ, बार उसको सीरीज बोलते हैं एक्चुअली, उसको बार नहीं बोलते. ठीक है, सीरीज लाइंस बोलते हैं उसको. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. सो आई विल बी अपलोडिंग द असाइनमेंट बाय टुमारो मे बी. बाकी कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
यस मैम.
एंड filtering and sorting is also clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, आज ऐश करो फिर, enjoy. You all can leave. If you have any doubt, you can stay.
Ma'am, please, ma'am,
Thank you,
please
ma'am.
attendance को recheck कर लेना.
Sure, Yatin. I will surely check it again. ठीक है?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, wait. I will be forwarding one feedback form to you today at the group only. Please fill it. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
मैम नेक्स्ट क्लास सैटरडे को क्या है वैसे?
Saturday को you have MCQ. Whatever has been taught so far, some questions will be there. Around 50 questions will be there, and you have to be prepared. Right? No internet. नहीं, practical नहीं है. हर्षद, enjoy करो तुम लोग.
मैम पिछले सेम में प्रैक्टिकल हुए थे क्या?
One by one.
मैम पिछले सेमेस्टर में प्रैक्टिकल हुए थे इसके?
हुए थे. Practical नहीं है, MCQ होगा बच्चे. 50 questions will be there, and you will be answering those 50 questions. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
Okay, take care everyone. Today was my last class with you people. Only MCQ will be there. So, though if you have any doubt, please do let me know whenever you find anything that is not clear to you.
मैम आगे कौन लेगा?
आगे शायद से I don't know.
सुशीला मैम है
सुशीला
शायद।
मैम, yes, सुशीला मैम.
मैम ये सेशन मैम अपलोड कर देना।
बिल्कुल सर, at your service.
मैम आप ही ले लो आगे का भी।
कोई नहीं मैम, 1-2 दिन बाद कर देना।
हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैं आज ही कर दूंगी। The moment I will get recording, I will be posting it at the class.
Thank you,
Okay?
ma'am.
चलो, take care everyone, enjoy.
ओके मैम, बाय।
Okay, bye.